Have you ever wondered why the waxing crescent moon holds such a captivating aura? It's not just the ethereal beauty of this lunar phase that captures us, but the potent energy it carries. This energy is a cosmic force, a celestial rhythm that echoes through the cosmos and resonates within us. During the waxing crescent phase, the moon's energy is at its peak, pulsating a unique frequency that signals a critical 72-hour period for personal growth and intention setting. This period is a cosmic call to action, a celestial alarm clock that wakes us from our slumber and urges us to pay heed. It's a time to nurture the seeds of our intentions planted during the new moon, water them with our focus and care, and watch them sprout into existence. It's a time to channel the moon's energy, to ride the wave of its cosmic force and harness it for our spiritual and personal growth. Yet, it's not just about growth. The waxing crescent moon also brings a sense of urgency. Its message is clear. Time is of the essence. The universe doesn't wait for those who dawdle or procrastinate. It rewards those who seize the moment, those who understand the importance of this critical window and act accordingly. This urgency is not meant to create panic or anxiety. Rather, it's to awaken us to the possibilities that lie before us. It's a reminder to not let this precious time slip through our fingers, to make the most of this fertile period, to set our intentions clearly, and to align our actions with our goals. The waxing crescent moon's energy is a beacon in the night sky, guiding us on our journey, illuminating our path, and reminding us of the cyclical nature of life and growth. It's a cosmic compass, pointing us towards our true north and nudging us to stay true to our course. The waxing crescent moon's energy is a cosmic call to action, urging us to align our actions with the universe's rhythm. The universe is speaking to us through the waxing crescent moon. Are we ready to listen? Now you might ask, what should we do during this potent period? Well, the waxing crescent phase of the moon is a precious time for setting clear intentions. It's a time when the cosmic energy is ripe and ready to nurture the seeds of your aspirations. The waxing crescent moon is like a cosmic whisper, a gentle reminder to revisit and refine the intentions you set during the new moon. It's an invitation to sit with your thoughts, to listen to the subtle stirrings of your heart, and to align your actions with your soul's deepest desires. You see, setting intentions isn't just about declaring what you want. It's about understanding why you want it. It's about peeling back the layers of your desires to uncover the core of your true intentions. It's about digging deep and getting clear about your goals, your dreams, and your purpose. Imagine your intentions as seeds. During the new moon, you plant these seeds in the fertile soil of your consciousness. Now, under the waxing crescent, it's time to tend to these seeds, to water them with clarity and nourish them with purpose. It's time to weed out any doubts or fears that might hinder their growth. Remember, intentions aren't wishes. They aren't vague hopes or distant dreams. Intentions are powerful declarations of your heart's deepest desires. They are the compass that guides your actions, the beacon that lights your path. So, during this waxing crescent phase, take some time to sit with your intentions. Reflect on them, clarify them, refine them. Ask yourself, what is it that I truly desire? What is the core intention behind my goals? How can I align my actions with this intention? And most importantly, believe in your intentions. Trust in their power. Know that they have the potential to shape your reality, to manifest your dreams, and to guide you towards your highest self. Remember, the clearer your intentions, the more potent your manifestation. So, harness the energy of the waxing crescent moon. Set your intentions with clarity and conviction, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your dreams to life. But beware, this phase is not without its challenges. The waxing crescent moon, with its escalating energy, can bring heightened emotions to the surface. You may find yourself feeling a whirlwind of emotions, from exhilaration to anxiety, from hope to uncertainty. It's like a cosmic tide pulling and pushing within you. This emotional surge is not a hurdle, but rather an opportunity for self-discovery and growth. It's a call to tune in, to listen and understand these emotions, to navigate them wisely. It's about preventing these emotions from leading us down the path of impulsivity, where hasty decisions could potentially derail our progress. Remember, it's not about suppressing these feelings, but managing them. It's about harnessing this emotional energy and using it constructively to fuel our intentions. It's about finding balance, maintaining stability, and focusing on our goals. Emotional awareness is your compass during this phase, guiding you away from impulsivity and toward mindful action. With clear intentions and emotional awareness, what's the next step? This is where the power of actionable steps comes into play. Imagine you are standing at the base of a mountain, with the peak being your ultimate goal. It seems daunting, right? Just like the mountain, our long-term goals can feel overwhelming. This is where the power of breaking them down into smaller, manageable tasks comes into the picture. Think of it like a journey. Every journey begins with a single step, and your path to achieving your goals is no different. When you break down your larger goal into smaller tasks, each task becomes a step on your journey. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Now, why is this relevant during the waxing crescent phase? This phase is a fertile period for manifestation. It's a time when the energy of growth and expansion is at its peak. By taking actionable steps during this phase, you align yourself with this energy, thereby propelling your progress forward. But remember, progress doesn't always mean rushing forward. It's about consistent, mindful action. It's about making sure that each step you take is purposeful and aligned with your intention. It's about understanding that every task, no matter how small, is significant in the grand scheme of things. Also, let's not forget the sense of accomplishment that comes with completing each task. Each completed task is a mini victory, a little boost of confidence that propels you forward. It's a reminder that you are capable, that you are making progress, and that your goal is within your reach. So, what are you waiting for? Start breaking down your goals into actionable steps. Write them down, make a plan, and start taking action. Remember, the waxing crescent moon is all about growth and expansion. Use this time to plant the seeds of your dreams. Water them with your actions and watch them grow. Breaking your goals into actionable steps is like planting seeds under the waxing crescent moon, each one a promise of growth and success. How can we stay grounded during this period of intense lunar energy? This question is at the heart of today's discussion. Grounding techniques like journaling and meditation are invaluable tools to help us stay focused during the waxing crescent moon. These practices provide an anchor, a sense of stability amidst the swirling cosmic energies. They help us maintain our balance, our clarity of thought, and our resolve to stay true to our intentions. Consider journaling as a form of conversation with the self. It's a space where you can express your thoughts, your fears, your dreams, and your gratitude. It's a place where you can reflect on your journey, acknowledge your progress, and plan your next steps. And most importantly, it's a place where you can connect with your innermost self, the part of you that is intimately connected to the universe and its energies. Meditation, on the other hand, is a practice of presence and awareness. It's a state of being where you are fully present in the moment, free from the distractions of the past or the anxieties of the future. It's a space where you can quiet your mind, listen to your inner voice, and align yourself with the natural rhythms of the universe. These grounding practices are not just about maintaining focus and clarity, they're about enhancing our connection to the universe, guiding us towards our soul's purpose. They help us understand that we are not separate from the cosmos, but are an integral part of it. They remind us that our actions, our thoughts, and our intentions are all part of a larger cosmic dance. In this dance, we are not just passive spectators, but active participants. We are co-creators with the universe, shaping our reality with every thought, every word, and every deed. And it is through grounding practices like journaling and meditation that we can tune into this cosmic energy, align with it, and harness it to manifest our deepest desires. So remember, as the waxing crescent moon shines brightly in the sky, take some time to ground yourself. Embrace the practices of journaling and meditation. Connect with the universe and your place within it. Grounding practices are your anchor in the cosmic sea, keeping you steady amidst the waxing crescent's potent energy. Finally, what is the key to amplifying the waxing crescent moon's energy? Simply put, it's gratitude. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude is not just a feel-good exercise, it's a potent tool that amplifies the energy of the waxing crescent moon. Consider gratitude as an energy field that you intentionally create within yourself. When you express gratitude, you're not just acknowledging the good in your life, but you're also aligning yourself with the universal energy of abundance. This alignment invites more positive experiences, more growth, and more success. It fosters a positive outlook, instilling a sense of peace and contentment that permeates all aspects of your life. It's like flipping a switch that turns on the high beam headlights, illuminating your path forward. So, as you navigate this waxing crescent phase, make gratitude your companion. Remember, the more gratitude you express, the more life gives you to be grateful for. Gratitude is the magic ingredient, amplifying the waxing crescent moon's energy and inviting success into your life.